Okay, I had to redo the end block. The end block is now Spanish cedar. I'd used a piece of spruce, but the grain of the wood, when I went to adjust it, it just split kind of funny. So anyway, I have gone ahead and put a piece of Spanish cedar for the end block, and that's the way it stays. This is a good end block, not like the last spruce one I put in. I don't know if it's old age that makes me have to redo stuff, or it's just that's part of the game anyway. After 53 years, you'd think I'd know better. Anyway, that's I just finished doing that. You can see the glue here is still a little white, but it's set up in strong at this point. You know, it's set. So I'll go over to the neck that I've done, you know, that I had, excuse me, I didn't do this, Manuel Adelid did this. I smoothed it up a little bit on the heel, right here, and I went ahead, since I had the heel disconnected from the sides, the neck, I went ahead and took it down to where it'll fit the sides better with the particular guitar model that I'm building, which is the Condi. This is another one that Manuel sent. As you can see, the rough cut that they do has to be smoothed out, but he's done everything else. And then you can see this is a little bit higher, or a little bit thicker on the heel work, you know, than it is, say, on this one right here. This one here is a little bit thinner, as you can see, compared to this heel assembly here. It's just had to be cut down some. But the idea of using this one is that he had already cut my head design for me, and all I had to do was just kind of smooth it out. All I had to do was smooth it out and sand it and perfect it just a little bit. But on the next heel that he sent, he left it blank, so I can cut my own head design, whichever head design I choose to use at the time. And as you can see here, his carbon filament, or whatever he uses here, is a little bit thinner than the first one that he sent to me. So I don't know what that's going to prove. We'll just have to use both of them in time and just see what happens. See the difference here? Okay. Alright, everything's going pretty good, and I'm pleased with the guitar so far, the way it's going. And I'll switch back around here to the top. The top essentially is already done, and it's ready to join to the sides and neck. Once I get the neck back in the sides, I'll go ahead and put the top on, right side up. As again, I've learned how to do that. Just put the top on right side up instead of upside down on a solera, because I like to create some angles in the top the way I want it to pulsate and you know, improve top tension, what have you, so on. So anyway, this is just about ready. I'll let the bottom block go ahead and cure out the rest of the day, and then tomorrow I'll assemble the neck right here, and then I'll put the lining on and shape that and what I need to do, and then I'll put the top on. So we're going pretty quick right at this point. Thank you.